This video is for 5th grade, Module 1, Lesson 1a. In this lesson, we are multiplying numbers by powers of 10. Powers of 10 are numbers like 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, etc. We're going to use the place value chart to help us with this multiplication. The idea is to understand how digits move when we multiply them by powers of 10. So I have a problem, 65 and 4/10 times 10. I'm going to start by plugging in my first factor into the place value chart. So I have 6 tens, 5 ones, 4 tenths with my decimal point. So 65 and 4/10. I'm going to multiply by 10, which means each of my digits will become 10 times as great as I multiply them by 10. For example, if I take 60 times 10, it becomes 600. If I take 5 times 10, it becomes 5 tens or 50. If I take 4/10 times 10, it becomes 4 ones. So the answer to 65 and 4/10 times 10 is 654. So again, the place value chart shows us that the digits become 10 times as great as we multiply them by 10. So the digits are moving one place to the left. Let's look at another example. Here I have 7 and 51/100 times 100. Start with the same process. I'm going to insert my first factor into the place value chart. So I have 7 ones, 5 tenths, 100th, include my decimal point. Now I'm multiplying by 100 this time, which means my digits will become 100 times greater, or they'll move over 2 spots on the place value chart. For example, if I take 7 times 100, it becomes 700. If I take 5/10 times 100, it becomes 5/10. If I take 1/100th times 100, it becomes 1 whole. So each digit became 100 times greater, and we can see that on the place value chart. So the answer to 7 and 51/100 times 100 is 751.